Guys, I'm gonna show this one more time for the people who always accost me about the string when we use for tie my skeleton time. Them think the skeleton time come like that, I'ma just drop it in a pot. No, this is a butcher's twine. I just cut piece and tie up my skeleton and time. I don't just purchase the skeleton and time like that. It doesn't sell like that in America. The skeleton does come different from your time leaf. So I separate them, take out what I want, wash them, and tie them up, right? Like this, right? So I tie them. And then I drop it in my pot. Okay? The last time I now go Kosuduno again about the same thing.